Morning, everyone. From the team of as today is Krishnashtami, so I would like to wish you Shri Krishna. On this auspicious occasion, we are launching our product Mentor. It's a pleasure to welcome entrepreneurs, teachers, seniors, and all of you presented over here. It's my privilege to host this launching event in front of you all. For today's event, our chief guests are Mrs. Sharbari ma'am, who is the CEO of Big Impact, and Mr. Sameer Soral sir, who is the strategic consultant of Fox Capital Private Limited. Now I would like to introduce you with my co-founding team. Navneet Garg, S.K. Jagan, Nilesh Garg, and I, Riyanshi Jain. And our product teams. First team of AR and Unity developers having Ashish Jangir, Anjali, Tejas, Khushbu, and Diya. Second team of graphic designing and content having Samriddhi, Ankita, Nilesh, Aditya, Rupali, and Ashish. Third team of web development having Anirudh, Ishita, Nishay, Rahul, and Archie. Fourth team of marketing having Archie, Anirudh, Ashish, and Harshvardhan. Now I request our chief guest, Sharbari ma'am, to say few words.
Good morning, everyone. I hope I'm audible. Give me a thumbs up, Jagan, if you can hear me. All right, great. Good morning, and I'm very proud to be here today. Happy Janmashtami to everyone, anybody who's celebrating today. This team, I just want to start out by commending this team, who I have had the pleasure of being a coach of and being a mentor of briefly. I have found this team to be extremely. I'm getting a little bit of echo, I think, from Riyanshi. All right. So I just want to start out by saying that this team has this capability of looking at the market and creating a market-facing product, which I feel is extremely important. Now, to give you a quick background on my own experience and why I say that this product is an extremely important product for the market today. I am an academic and I'm also a business person. And as an academic, I feel that the best products out there, or the most successful products out there, are the ones which create great learner outcomes and great experiences. Yeah? And in my work and in my association with the Mentor team, I have found that they have a focus on both of these areas, both on the learning outcome and on the experience of what the students are going to go through, and how the teachers and the students and the parents and all the stakeholders are going to experience this product. So I think that is great, and I think as an attitude, this team also has the capability of remaining open to feedback, remaining open to market forces, to the shifts. So I feel very proud to associate with this team, and I wish them all the best. Now, coming to the product itself, coming to the Mentor offering itself, there is nothing like the visual, right? There is no replacement for, like they say, seeing is believing. And there is nothing like being able to see a concept, to be able to understand something clearly. And I think, that is the power of Mentor and the power of their offering, that they are bringing a concept and giving clarity to the concept visually and allowing an immersive experience for anybody who is engaging with this platform or with this offering. So I'm very excited about the product launch today, and I encourage you to look at the product, to feel it, to experience it, understand it, and use it. Because I think this is going to be a roaring success. As an academic and as a business person, I have this feeling that it's going to do very, very well. So, all the best to the team. And I wish you every success. And I'm here, and I'm sure a lot of other people are there also to support you whenever you need it.
Thank you, ma'am, for your golden words. Now I request Sameer sir to say few words.
Namaskar and Jai Shri Krishna to everyone. What better day can be than today that you are launching this beautiful product. And when I met the team, I met Jagan, I met Namneet, Nilansh. I know they are amazing people, full of energy, and you have a vision. And I'm so happy that at your age you have this kind of vision and you have taken this kind of step that you want to make something for the society, for the kids, and instead of regular job hunting you have decided to be an entrepreneur. That's the amazing thing, amazing quality which you people have. And only passion is required if you want to make a new product or if you want to take certain line. Only passion is required, and that passion is there with all three of you, four of you. Riyansh is also there, and I'm sure that people who are working behind the scenes, you all are a great team. Someone said that if you believe that you are making something which brings a change, it will bring a change. I think this was William Penn or someone who said this thing, and I am very sure that you are following this line and you will be successful. No one can stop you. I have been seeing a lot of people. Like, you must have seen a lot of products like in the ed tech, but your offering is a bit different. It's totally different. I've never seen this kind of product in the market. Everyone is doing online classes where teachers are teaching, recording the videos, whatever. But your product is something different, and it is amazing product. So congratulations to you for your well thought plan, well thought product, and I am sure that you will go places. This is just a first step. Every big journey starts with a small step. This is a small step, but I think you have already taken a giant leap. I think 50% work is done. Launching this product, as I and Jagan discussed, that it will be free for some time. So it is good because you will get the feedback from the people and you will always get a chance to improve. Improvement is constant. So you cannot say that my product is perfect. It will keep on improving every day. So even the best products in the market, Facebook, YouTube, whatever, you see that every now and then we see new features coming in them. Same thing with you. There will be new things and you will be launching new products. You will be upgrading your software. That is fine. Anything there, whatever we have discussed, I'm there to help you out. And I'm sure that Sharwari ma'am is there and I am there. You will get all the support, entire support, whatever you want, and we are there to help you. Don't worry about it. Just go through it. You have the passion. You are the right like-minded people. You believe in each other, and the team. Whatever you can achieve as a team, you cannot achieve it individually. It's a great team, and I wish and I hope and I give you all my best wishes that you remain a good team wherever you are and you do wonders. Coming from Kota, it's a another great thing because it's an education city, and till now we have not seen any big startup coming from Kota. So I think this is the only startup which I heard about, and fantastic, amazing. All the very best to all of you. All the very best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. Now I would like to hand over the further introduction of Mentor to SK Jagan.
Thank you, Riyanshi. So hello, everyone. This is SK Jagan from Team Mentor. So I would like you, first of all, let me share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, now it's
Yeah.
visible.
Okay, thank you. So before entering into what is Mentor, let's give me a first introductory video about the concept of Mentor. So that's all for this. I hope you get that introduction about the concept. तो एक स्टोरी है मेंटार के शुरू होने से पीछे, वो ये कि मैं और मेरे दोस्त जो है नवनीत, हम काफी बेहतरीन दोस्त हैं और हमारे सेकेंड ईयर का टाइम था जब एग्जाम से पहले हम पढ़ाई कर रहे थे. अगर आप लोगों को पता हो तो इंजीनियरिंग टाइम के अंदर होता ये है कि हमेशा लास्ट मोमेंट स्टडीज होती है और उन स्टडीज का अलग ही याद होता है. तो एक ऐसा ही दिन था जिस दिन हमारा मिड टर्म था और मिड टर्म से पहले हम सवेरे सवेरे पढ़ाई कर रहे थे कुछ घंटों पहले. तो एक फिगर हमारे सामने आया था जिसके अंदर जो ऑयल होता है वो इंजन को किस तरीके से ल्यूब्रिकेट करता है ताकि उसको डैमेज ना हो पूरे वर्किंग के अंदर. तो अलग अलग टाइप्स ऑफ ऑयल थे और उनके अलग अलग डायग्राम्स थे और वो डायग्राम्स कुछ ऐसे थे जो कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. मैंने कहा नवनीत से, यार नवनीत ये तो लगभग सब एक जैसा ही लग रहे हैं जबकि इनके अंदर काफी डिफरेंट फंक्शनैलिटीज है एज पर द टेक्स्ट. तो यार इसको समझने में समझें कैसे. तो उस समय नवनीत ने भी ये चीज सोचा कि हाँ कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो कि टेक्स्ट के थ्रू हम ये तो समझ पाते कि वो डिफरेंट है बट उसको डायग्राम्स के थ्रू हम विजुअलाइज कभी नहीं कर पाते. और जब हम जो कि एक इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के बच्चे हैं वो खुद विजुअलाइज करने में दिक्कत सोच रहे हैं तो उन बच्चों का क्या होता होगा जो कि स्कूल के 7th 8th 9th 10th के बच्चे होते होंगे. तो उनकी दिक्कत जो थी वो एक प्रॉब्लम थी जो मार्केट में एग्जिस्ट करती थी कि उनको कोई भी चीज विजुअलाइज करने में प्रॉब्लम आती है और प्रैक्टिकली सॉल्व करने में प्रॉब्लम आती है. तो इन दो प्रॉब्लम्स को जहां पर विजुअलाइजेशन हार्डर है और लैब एक्सपेरिमेंट्स घर पर परफॉर्म करना बेहद ही मुश्किल या कहें तो नामुमकिन है क्योंकि हमें उसका सेटअप वगैरह करना पड़ता है. तो इन दिक्कतों को दूर करते हुए, इन प्रॉब्लम्स को एड्रेस करते हुए मेंटेआर लेकर के आए अपना प्रोडक्ट जो कि ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं आपके लिए. तो इसके अंदर हम देखते हैं कि ये 5 सेक्शंस के अंदर डिवाइडेड है. पहला सेक्शन जो है वो है लॉगिन सेक्शन जिसके अंदर यूजर अपने आप को लॉगिन करता है या फिर क्रिएट अकाउंट करता है. सेकेंड है होम स्क्रीन जहां पर नंबर ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स प्रोवाइडेड है. तो जैसे कि हमने अभी जाना कि ये प्रैक्टिकल है तो प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड साइंस हमें अभी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. सेकेंड सेक्शन जो है वो हमारे लिए एक कहे तो प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्मिंग इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट सेक्शन होगा जो कि पूरे सिलेबस सेंट्रिक नहीं होगा. अभी तक जो है वो पूरा सिलेबस सेंट्रिक है. तो फर्दर ऑन जब चैप्टर और टॉपिक में बच्चा जाता है तो उसको पूरे जितने भी एक्टिविटीज हैं, इंटरैक्शंस हैं, वो सब कुछ एनलिस्टेड मिलते हैं और फिर वो फाइनली लैंड ऑन करते हैं एआर व्यू के अंदर जहां पे वो पूरे टॉपिक का, एक्टिविटी का और एक्सपेरिमेंट का ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी एक्सपीरियंस गेन कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए मैं चाहूंगा कि एक छोटी सी वीडियो आपको दिखाऊं. Hello everyone, this is Team Mentear. Mentear is a mobile application which uses augmented reality technology for practical explanations of topics as per NCERT syllabus. So let's not waste the time and dive into it. Currently, Mentear has only one subject, that is science, for two different classes, which are the 7th and the 8th standards. When we click on the subject, a list of all the chapters as per the NCERT books comes up. From there, we can navigate to our topic of the particular chapter. When we choose the topic, we will land onto the AR screen to perform the experiments and activities. Some of them are static, that is, they do not move. Some of them are animated, that is, there is an animation for the practical explanation of the topic, while most of them are interactive. It means that the 3D object on the screen will respond to the inputs, making an experience such that a live practical demonstration or experiment is being performed. Go to the topic, and additional audio support is provided in the background. When we have performed the whole activity, we have to give its quiz. When you haven't given the quiz of the previous topic, then your next topic will be locked. To give the quiz, click on the quiz button. The whole audio support in the form of text is provided here for revision. After the revision, we can click on the quiz button to start our quiz. Each topic has 5 questions in the quiz, which are of MCQ type. Attempt the questions and have a score. So guys, what are you waiting for? मेंटेआर से पढ़ो. So this was the introduction of what is Mentear, and now the time has come when we are launching it. So I request all of you to unmute yourself for a minute, because I'm gonna say, and you need to hail the Lord Ganesha. I'll say Ganpati Bappa, and you need to say Moria for this great launch. So here am I. Everyone, please unmute yourself. Ready? Okay, on the count of the three. 3, 2, 1. Ganpati Bappa! So let's now continue. We can see that this is the AR view where we have landed. So in the video, we saw about the particular topics which are being taught. So let's take a few minutes of checking each of them: the physics, chemistry, bio, and the astronomy. So start with the astronomy.
Which revolve around it forms the solar system. Whole solar system is shown on the screen. It consists of a large number of bodies such as planets, comets, asteroids, and meteors. The gravitational attraction between the sun and these objects keep them revolving around it. The Earth, as you know, also revolves around the sun. It is a member of the solar system. There are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. The 8 planets in their order of distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Do you know, until 2000s,
To all those astronomy lovers, we have brought this realistic thing where in a world space kind of background, a sun is there which is illuminating, and with all the other 8 planets revolving around it. Also, we can see a ring of brown color ring, which is the asteroid field around it. So this gives an immense. Who is on? Yeah, thank you. So now let's move on to the bio section.
Digest and utilize it. The unused parts of the food are defected. Have you ever wondered? Use the assemble button to assemble.
Have you seen that in this thing the whole digestive system is being distributed into a number of parts? अब इसके पीछे जो थियरी थी वो बहुत ही सिंपल थी. एक छोटा सा बच्चा जिसको हम कहते हैं कि वो काफी इंटरेस्टेड होता है, जब उसको एक नया खिलौना दिया जाता है तो वो सबसे पहला काम करता है कि वो उसको तोड़ के देखता है, उसको तोड़ता है, उसके अंदर की हर एक चीज को आगे पीछे खोलता है, पूरे तरीके से जो उसको देखना है जानना है वो जान के उसे वापस जोड़ता है. तो यही एक चीज बायो में अभी मिसिंग है कि बच्चा जो है वो पूरी तरीके से उस जो भी डायग्राम है, जो भी ऑर्गन सिस्टम है, वो पूरे ऑर्गन सिस्टम को या तो एक साथ पढ़ता है या डिफरेंटली एक एक ऑर्गन को, बट कहीं पे भी उसे ये ऑप्शन नहीं मिलता कि वो पूरे ऑर्गन सिस्टम को अपने हिसाब से तोड़ के डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके देखे, फिर उसके बाद उन्हें असेंबल कर सके. ये चीज मेंटेआर ने अभी यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड करी है.
the digestive parts again.
Now we move on to the
In the
chemistry.
previous topic, we learned that ferrous oxide is basic in nature.
Chemistry is something which is harder to learn. हर किसी को केमिस्ट्री के रिएक्शन से बड़ा ही डर लगता है. तो क्या हो जब उसको कुछ बेहतरीन तरीके से समझाया जाए. आई होप आप लोगों को भी इसमें मजा जरूर आएगा.
Now recall the activity of burning spoon with the name of product formed in the reaction of sulfur and oxygen is sulfur dioxide gas. When sulfur dioxide is dissolved in water, sulfurous acid is formed. From the illustration, we saw that sulfurous acid turns blue litmus paper red. Generally, oxides of non-metal are acidic in nature.
From this illustration, we have seen that the particular pH of that sulfurous acid is checked. So now let's move on to our physics part.
That light travels in a straight line. So, how can we change the path of light? One way to change the direction of light is to let it fall on a shiny surface.
We can see that when we are seeing it from a particular angle, that is at the particular angle of reflection, we can see the light illuminating on the mirror. Okay, and when we go away from that angle of reflection, we will not be able to see the source of the light, the illumination of the source of the light. It is just the replica of when we are seeing a real torch light at that particular reflection angle.
For example, a shining stainless steel plate or a shining steel spoon can change the direction of light. The surface of water can also act like a mirror and change the path of light. The surface of water can also act like a mirror and change the path of light. Any polished or a shiny surface can act as a mirror. What happens when light falls on a mirror? You can see a mirror on the screen with a light projecting clamp. Mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it. This change of direction by a mirror is called reflection of light. You wonder what makes things visible to us? Let me help you. Objects are visible only when light reflected from them reaches our eyes. Use the dark button provided on the screen for better understanding.
Apart from the physics, chemistry, bio and astronomy section, we are having something which students really like. The facts ऐसा एक सेक्शन है जिसके अंदर बच्चों को पढ़ने की नहीं, जिसमें जानने की उत्साह होती है. तो चलिए एक ऐसा ही फैक्ट देखते हैं.
Pumps are low pressure systems.
स्क्रीन पर हमें एक एनोमोमीटर दिख रहा है जो कि विंड की स्पीड के हिसाब से अपना डायरेक्शन वगैरह चेंज करता है और बताता है कि विंड की स्पीड क्या है और उसका डायरेक्शन क्या है.
Wind speed plays an important role in the formation of storms. It is therefore important to measure the wind speed. The instrument that measures the wind speed is called an anemometer. You can see an anemometer on the screen. Use the blue button to blow the air and see the working of an anemometer. That's all for this fact. Since it is a fact, there is no questionnaire for this topic.
जितनी बार भी हम ब्लो बटन को क्लिक करते हैं, इसके अंदर एक रैंडमाइज्ड डायरेक्शन से विंड जो होती है वो ब्लो करती है वर्चुअली, और उस हिसाब से एनोमीटर जो है वो पूरी तरीके से रिस्पॉन्ड देता है कि हाँ अब विंड ब्लो कर रही है, उसकी स्पीड क्या है, उसकी डायरेक्शन क्या है। तो ये जो चीजें हैं बच्चों को काफी अच्छी लगती हैं। जैसा कि आपने अभी सबने देखा कि इन सारे सेक्शंस के अंदर हमने इसको ग्राउंड के ऊपर ऑगमेंट किया हुआ है, ठीक है। तो इस टेक्नोलॉजी को कहते हैं ग्राउंड प्लेन टेक्नोलॉजी, बट इस टेक्नोलॉजी की कुछ लिमिटेशंस है। ये हर फोन में नहीं चल सकता, और हर तो क्या कहूं कि 15,000 से कम के फोन्स में तो ये चलता ही नहीं है। तो अब ये तो एक प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि बच्चे जो है वो 15,000 का फोन अफोर्ड करना सही नहीं है। इसीलिए हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी इकलौती है इस मार्केट में जो कि लो एंड फोन्स में अप टू 4,000 रुपीज ऑफ स्मार्टफोन में भी सपोर्ट करती है। और जिससे रिलेटेड मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखाना चाहूंगा। मैं चाहूंगा कि आप एक बार इसको पढ़ें कि ये एक कॉमन ऐप नहीं है। It works on augmented reality and some devices compatibilities are required to check. Just what I said कि हर डिवाइस में ये सपोर्ट नहीं करता है ग्राउंड प्लेन टेक्नोलॉजी। सेकेंड थिंग जो हमने इंट्रोड्यूस करी है वो है स्मार्ट क्यूआर मार्कर, जो कि जिस डिवाइसेस में ग्राउंड प्लेन टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं सपोर्ट करता है वहां पे हम हमारे स्मार्ट क्यूआर मार्कर के थ्रू ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी का एक्सपीरियंस सामने वाले को देते हैं। अगर आपको जानना हो कि आपका डिवाइस जो ग्राउंड प्लेन टेक्नोलॉजी को सपोर्ट करता है या नहीं, तो उसके लिए आप प्ले स्टोर के अंदर गूगल एआर सर्विसेज को सर्च मार सकते हैं, और अगर वहां पे आपको मिलता है तो आप इंस्टॉल और अपडेट कर सकते हैं, और फिर दोबारा मेंट एआर के अंदर ग्राउंड प्लेन रियलिटी का एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं। पर क्या होगा अगर आपको वहां पे कुछ दिखे नहीं? तो वो जो है वो हमारी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में है। जब भी हमें वहां पे प्ले स्टोर पर गूगल एआर सर्विसेज नहीं मिलते हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आपके डिवाइस के अंदर गूगल की एआर सर्विसेज सपोर्ट नहीं करती। पर हमारा क्यूआर मार्कर जो है वो आपको प्रोवाइड करता है ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी एक्सपीरियंस बिना ग्राउंड प्लेन टेक्नोलॉजी के रिक्वायरमेंट के, और यही हमारी स्पेशलिटी है जो कि मार्केट में कहीं नहीं मिलेगी। जैसा कि अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि ग्राउंड प्लेन टेक्नोलॉजी के अलावा हमारे पास मार्कर टेक्नोलॉजी भी है, तो ये है वो मार्कर जिसका आप इस्तेमाल करके यूज एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी का। तो अभी हमने जो चीजें देखी इससे हमें समझ में क्या आया, वो ये कि बच्चे जो अभी तक टेक्स्ट बुक से पढ़ते थे, फिर उन्हें डायग्राम्स में लेकर के आए, फिर अब डायग्राम से भी आगे की जरूरत पड़ रही है कि बच्चों ने वीडियोस के ऊपर जाना शुरू किया, क्योंकि विजुअलाइजेशन में कमी थी। और वीडियोस के बाद भी हमें ये देखने को मिलता है कि उन वीडियोस में उतना ही है जितना वो दिखाना चाहते हैं। क्या हो अगर बच्चे को खुद कुछ जानना हो, तो वो ऑप्शन उसके पास कभी अवेलेबल नहीं होता। ये सब कुछ आपको ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी के अंदर मिलता है। और आज के जमाने में सिर्फ और सिर्फ पढ़ाई ही मेन चीज नहीं है। हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म सामने बच्चे को एनेबल करता है कि वो इस सिलेबस से, इस ऐप के बाहर भी कभी कोई असली दुनिया में कुछ चीज को देखे तो उसको देख के भी उसका जो विजुअलाइजेशन है वो कुछ अलग हो, कि यार ये जो ट्यूबलाइट है, इस ट्यूबलाइट के अंदर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कैसे दौड़ रहे होंगे, ये उसकी जानने की इच्छा करती है। और जानने की इच्छा, उसकी क्यूरियोसिटी को हमेशा एक अंजाम तक पहुंचाना जरूरी है। वो मेंटर करता है कि बच्चा खुद जाकर के ढूंढेगा, समझेगा और खुद ही अपने हिसाब से अपना दिमाग उसका इस तरीके से डेवलप हो जाएगा हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू कि वो समझ पाए कि हाँ ये चीज अगर ऐसी है तो क्यों है, नहीं तो ऐसी होनी चाहिए। तो एक अंदर से एक साइंटिस्ट को जन्मा जा रहा है। और हमने ये चीज देखी है कि बच्चे को अगर क्यूरियोसिटी होती है तो अगर उसके क्यूरियोसिटी का उसको सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलता तो वो इंटरेस्ट खो देता है। नाउ दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस। मैं चाहूंगा अगर आप में से किसी के पास कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो हमसे बिल्कुल पूछें। एनीवन? So okay, last but not the least, I would like Riyanshi to take over the mic.
Thank you, Jagan, for the brilliant product introduction. Now, I would like to thank our chief guest and all the dignitaries and all presented over here for spending your valuable time with us and to make this event success.
Yeah, just one question.
Yes, sir.
For up to 10th standard or what? This syllabus is for this mentor.
Mentor is only for right now 7th and the 8th classes.
7th and 8th standard. Okay.
Yeah, we are expanding it. Right now we have completed it for 7th and the 8th only.
Okay, just confirming. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, Riyanshi, go ahead.
Thank you, everyone. And I request you all to download Mentor from Google Play Store and recommend to your family and friends.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much. All the best. Thank you. All the best. All the best.
Thank you, everyone.
Good luck. Congratulations and all the best.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
All the best to the mentor team. Wish you good luck.
Congratulations.
Also, I would like to quote that it is totally free for everyone right now. And please share it with your friends. Thank you. There are a lot of congratulations. Thank you.
Hello, Jagan. Jagan and your team. Congratulations to you. Best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
And we'd like to shortly see you with other classes also. I want to join from the first standard itself.
Sure.
Okay. So
Yeah,
I'll know what I've missed. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you're very intelligent. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Congratulations. Good luck.